Adjustable metal mounting bracket. Allows for easy alignment on uneven ground, saving time and effort during setup. Solar panel compatibility. Achieve energy independence and convenience in off-grid or remote locations. Built-in battery 24 voltage. Ideal for remote or unstable grid areas. Built-in transformer. 1028 remote memory. Soft start smooth operation for enhanced durability. The soft start functionality gently accelerates and decelerates the gate, eliminating the jarring shock from sudden starts and hard stops on mechanical parts. Connect with us to learn more or discuss how this sliding gate opener can be tailored to your specific project needs.